Welcome to our detailed review of the top 5 best precision screwdriver sets. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools is essential for your projects. In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of each set, helping you make an informed decision. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Junefor Precision Screwdriver Set. The Junefor Precision Screwdriver Set is designed for those who need precision and flexibility for detailed work. With features such as a flexible shaft extension and a freely adjustable interface, this set aims to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in electronics and small repairs. Here's a comprehensive look at its pros and cons. Pros. Flexible shaft extension. The set includes a flexible shaft extension that allows you to reach screws in tight or awkward spaces. This feature is particularly useful for working on electronics or other delicate devices where space is limited, making it easier to access hard-to-reach screws. Freely adjustable interface. The interface of the screwdriver set is freely adjustable, allowing you to customize the tool to fit different types of screws and repair scenarios. This versatility ensures that you can use the set for a variety of tasks, improving its overall functionality. Ideal for electronics and small repairs. The precision of the screwdrivers makes this set well-suited for working on electronics and small repairs. Whether you're fixing gadgets, assembling small devices, or performing intricate tasks, the set provides the accuracy needed for delicate work. Enhanced torque. The flexible shaft extension also contributes to providing additional torque. This feature can be beneficial when dealing with screws that require more force to turn, ensuring that you can apply the right amount of pressure without straining your wrist or hands. Compact and portable. The set's design is compact and portable, making it easy to store and carry. This is especially useful for technicians or hobbyists who need to transport their tools to different locations or work in various environments. Cons. Limited to small repairs. While the set is excellent for precision work, it may not be suitable for larger or more heavy-duty repairs. Its design is tailored for small screws and delicate tasks, which means it might not handle larger or more robust screws effectively. The Junefor Precision Screwdriver Set offers notable advantages for those engaged in detailed electronics work and small repairs. With its flexible shaft extension and adjustable interface, it provides enhanced accessibility and torque, making it a valuable tool for precision tasks. However, potential limitations such as its focus on small repairs, concerns about long-term durability, and possible adjustment complexity should be considered. Overall, the Junefor set is a practical choice for precision work, offering a blend of flexibility and functionality that can significantly benefit those in need of meticulous repair tools. Next up, at number 4, we have the Joshe Precision Screwdriver Set. The Joshe Precision Screwdriver Set is more than just a set of tools, it's designed to be a multifunctional masterpiece. With 128 different tools and a focus on precision and portability, it promises to cover a wide range of repair needs, from delicate electronics to robust furniture assembly. Let's delve into its pros and cons to see if this set lives up to its high expectations. Pros. Extensive tool variety. With 128 different tools included, the Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set is incredibly versatile. It caters to a broad spectrum of needs, from repairing glasses and disassembling electronics to assembling furniture and maintaining bicycles. This extensive range ensures that you have the right tool for virtually any job, making it a comprehensive solution for various repair tasks. Folding design for portability. The set features a folding design that makes it compact and easy to carry. This portability is akin to having the universe in the palm of your hand, allowing you to conveniently transport and access your tools whenever needed. The lightweight and compact nature of the set enhances its practicality, especially for those who need to move their tools frequently. Precision craftsmanship. Every screw head in the set is precision polished to ensure accurate rotation and smooth operation. This attention to detail enhances the set's functionality, making it ideal for tasks that require a high level of precision. The professional quality of the craftsmanship ensures that you can perform your repairs with confidence and accuracy. Stylish appearance. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set not only excels in functionality but also in style. Its modern and simple design integrates seamlessly into your lifestyle, making it a tasteful choice for those who value both aesthetics and practicality. The set's appearance reflects an extraordinary sense of taste, adding a touch of sophistication to your toolbox. Cons. Possible durability concerns. While the set boasts precision craftsmanship, the durability of each tool can vary. For high-stress applications, there might be concerns about the long-term durability of some components. It's important to handle the tools with care to ensure their longevity. The Joshe precision screwdriver set stands out for its versatility, precision craftsmanship, and stylish design. With 128 tools, it offers comprehensive coverage for a wide range of repair tasks, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Its folding design adds convenience, while its aesthetic appeal enhances its role as a stylish accessory. Taking the third spot is the Oloey precision screwdriver set. The Oloey precision screwdriver set is engineered to combine functionality with sophistication. With a focus on innovative design and practical features, this 132-in-1 toolset aims to address a variety of repair needs, from electronics to small household items. Let's explore the pros and cons of this precision toolset to determine if it lives up to its promises. Pros. Magnetic design for secure handling. One of the standout features of the Oloey precision screwdriver set is its magnetic design. The built-in magnetic storage box not only prevents tools from being lost, but also ensures screws are securely held in place. This feature is particularly useful for working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces where tiny screws can easily fall and be lost. The magnetism revolutionizes the way users handle small screws, making repairs more efficient and less frustrating. Large capacity storage box. The set includes a top large capacity storage box with 18 grid compartments in 5 different sizes. This thoughtful design allows for organized storage and classification of small components, such as screws and electronic parts. The storage box is more convenient than traditional magnetic pads, offering the added benefit of a secure lid to prevent loss of small items. This organizational feature helps streamline repairs and ensures that all parts are easily accessible. Color-coded identification. To enhance usability, the Oloey set features color-coded bits that help users quickly identify the type of screwdriver needed. The bright color modules differentiate between various bit types, including cross, slotted, hexagonal, sleeve, plum blossom, and drill bits. This color-coded system simplifies the process of selecting the right tool for the job, making it easier to handle repairs involving different types of screws. Innovative and organized design. The set's innovative design includes direction and location markers inspired by road maps. Each accessory is labeled to keep everything organized and easy to find. The toolset is divided into 3 layers: the top storage box, the accessory layer, and the screwdriver head layer. This systematic approach ensures that all components are neatly arranged and accessible, reducing the likelihood of misplaced items and improving overall efficiency. Cons. Storage box size. While the large capacity storage box is a pro in terms of organization, it might be bulky for those with limited storage space. The size of the storage box could be cumbersome for users who need a more compact solution for carrying or storing their tools. The Oloey precision screwdriver set excels in combining functionality with style. Its magnetic design, large capacity storage box, color-coded identification, and innovative organizational features make it a standout choice for those in need of a versatile and well-crafted toolset. Coming in at number 2 is the Xiaomi Delixi precision screwdriver set. The Xiaomi Delixi precision screwdriver set is designed to cater to a wide range of repair and maintenance needs with its impressive array of features. With 145 pieces, this set aims to be a versatile tool for various tasks, from everyday fixes to more specialized repairs. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this precision screwdriver set. Pros. Extensive range of tools. With 145 pieces, the Xiaomi Delixi precision screwdriver set covers a broad spectrum of needs. This extensive range includes various types of screwdriver bits and accessories, making it suitable for diverse scenarios such as electronics repairs, furniture assembly, and general maintenance. The comprehensive selection ensures that users have the right tool for almost any task. Strong magnetic bit. The set features a built-in strong magnet in the cutter bar, which enhances the tool's functionality. This magnetic bit helps securely hold screws in place, preventing them from falling or getting lost, particularly in tight or hard-to-reach areas. This feature simplifies handling small screws and enhances the precision of the repair work. Telescopic extension rod. The inclusion of a telescopic extension rod is a notable advantage. This extendable feature allows users to reach screws and components in narrow or confined spaces that might otherwise be difficult to access. The extension rod adds versatility to the toolset, making it easier to tackle a variety of repair situations. High-density bits. The Xiaomi Delixi set boasts high-density bits that offer a standard screwdriver head with strong torque. This design ensures that the screwdriver provides efficient and reliable performance, handling screws with ease and reducing the likelihood of stripping or damaging them. The durability and effectiveness of the bits contribute to the overall quality of the set. Cons. Storage and organization. The large number of pieces in the set could pose challenges in terms of storage and organization. Users might need to invest in additional storage solutions or carefully manage the tools to ensure that everything is kept in order and easily accessible. The lack of built-in organization features might make it difficult to keep the set tidy. The Xiaomi Delixi Precision Screwdriver Set is a robust and versatile toolset designed to meet a wide range of repair and maintenance needs. With its extensive range of tools, strong magnetic bit, telescopic extension rod, and high-density bits, the set offers impressive functionality and convenience. And finally, our top pick, the Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set is designed to be a top-of-the-line toolkit, combining cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. With an impressive 180 pieces, this set aims to cater to a wide range of repair and maintenance needs, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this precision screwdriver set. Pros. Innovative design philosophy. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set is crafted with a design philosophy inspired by container architecture. Its unique shell design integrates technology and practicality, featuring multiple positioning slots that mirror the heart of a precision machine. This thoughtful design allows for efficient and organized storage of various screwdriver bits, ensuring that all tools are easily accessible and neatly arranged. Ergonomic and adjustable grip. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is its innovative grip. The handle part of the set includes a sliding module that allows users to adjust the holding position as needed. This flexibility helps accommodate different angles and provides a stable and comfortable grip, thanks to the high-tech threaded silicone surface. This design enhances precision and ease of use, making every twist more controlled and accurate. Durable and high-quality materials. The set includes 162 magnetic screwdriver heads made from high-hardness CRV and S2 steel. These materials are known for their durability, wear resistance, and rust-proof properties. The upgraded toolkit also features a new thread pickup head that accurately matches screw textures, improving screw driving efficiency and handling all types of screws with ease. Flexible adjustment with detachable extension rod. To accommodate screws in various depths and narrow spaces, the Oloey set comes with a detachable extension rod. This feature allows users to adapt the screwdriver heads to different sizes and reach challenging positions effortlessly. This flexibility saves time and labor, making it easier to tackle a variety of repair tasks. Versatile applications. The 180-in-1 set is designed for versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're repairing electronic devices such as mobile phones and laptops, assembling furniture, or maintaining home appliances, this set has you covered. It also makes an excellent gift, offering both practicality and sophistication for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship. Cons. Size and portability. The comprehensive nature of the set may result in a bulkier storage case. While the set is designed to be organized, its size might be cumbersome for those who need a more compact and portable solution. The bulkiness could be a drawback for users who require a lightweight and easily transportable toolkit. The Oloey Precision Screwdriver Set stands out for its innovative design, high-quality materials, and versatile functionality. With its ergonomic grip, durable screwdriver heads, and flexible adjustment features, the set offers a comprehensive solution for various repair and maintenance tasks.